Hi guys, good morning. Hi, how was your night, guys? I literally just woke up. It's currently few minutes past 8 a.m. and yeah, how are you guys doing? Guys, let me tell you, today I'm doing a deep cleaning, okay, of my room. My room may look neat, but the room is dirty, okay? There's some parts of my room that I don't think I have cleaned in a while, and I feel like I will be doing that today. I feel like I really want to get that out of the way because guess what? Tomorrow is the 1st of June, okay? And you guys know how important this month is to me. I mean, this girl, this Austin Betha and I was born in the month of June, and I just want to enter the month, feeling clean mentally, physically, environmentally, if there's anything like that. So yes, if I haven't said hi guys, my name is Austin Betha. If this is your first time coming across my channel, this is Betha's Corner. Betha's Corner, my corner, our corner, and you're so welcome. So I'm not always this dirty, okay? Let's get that out of the way. I'm not always this dirty. I've just had a very busy month of May, and I feel like it's time to clean my room really thoroughly. Plus the dust has been a lot. Like the nets actually look very, very dirty, so I want to clean that up. I think I should even show you guys. But I think the sun might not let you see. But yeah, it looks really dusty. I need to clean that up, guys. It's really embarrassing. But yeah, let's just clean my room. Okay, let me show you what my room is looking like right now, so that I can also show you guys when we're done, so you can see the amount of work that I put into this. Okay, so I know you guys can see this glow. It's probably even blinding some of my enemies already, and I know you guys have been asking me for skincare. We're going to get to that, but let's clean the room first. Okay, there's no skincare with a dirty room. Okay, so let's clean the room first. Okay.
Esau. But I think it's because the Bible had said fashion designer. Everybody want it up, nobody want the. Everybody want the sharp, no hand won't fall. Cover your yeah. To make it, you must package yourself. Oh. Everybody's managing, everything is packaging. Everybody wants to have the best in life. Oh, if you show yourself, nobody go look your side yourself. So don't mind the damaging, just keep on packaging. Everybody's managing, everything is packaging. Everybody wants to have the best in life. Oh, if you show yourself, nobody go look your side yourself. So don't mind the damaging, just keep on packaging. Everybody's managing, everything is packaging. Everybody wants to have the best in life. Oh, if you show yourself, nobody go look your side yourself. So don't mind the damaging, just keep on packaging. Everybody's managing, everything is packaging. Everybody wants to have the best in life. Oh, if you show yourself, nobody go look your side yourself. So don't mind the damaging, just keep on packaging. Everybody's managing, everything is packaging. Everybody wants to have the best in life. Oh, if you show yourself, nobody go look your side yourself. So don't mind the damaging, just keep on packaging. Man no be God. You can have everything on earth, all the power, all the wealth, but you can't rule the world, because man no be God. Everything today will surely pass away, and you can't rule the world, because man no be God.
Good morning, guys. So this is the next day because I couldn't finish yesterday, and that's not because I didn't want to. I washed my curtains, and they are dry now, so I'm just going to continue from where I stopped. Plus, of course, I slept on my bed, and now it's looking like we're the fourth wall. But then, of course, my curtains are there. The reason I took my bedsheet out a bit is because I want to fix the curtain stand. Let me just show you guys that properly. So while I was trying to fix the curtains, one of the nails went off, and I have to fix that first before I continue. And because I don't have hammer, I have a nail and I have a stone. I'm going to actually hit that back, so I did not want all the dirt to fall on my bed, which is actually why I took the bedspread out, so that I can dust the bed properly once I'm done. So let me just get to it and then install my curtains, okay? I broke the glass that used to sit in here, and of course I almost cried, but I mean, I just had to let it go, you know. So yeah. And yes guys, we have my bottle here courtesy of YouTube. I just felt like it looked really nice here. Yeah, this is another lamp, and of course so I just have books that I use on a regular basis out here with my Bible. I have my water bottle here, and I just put random stuff in here. Okay.